In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoho Books with Shopify. Whether you're getting started with a new storefront or tightening up your bookkeeping, connecting these two tools helps you automate invoicing, keep products and taxes consistent, and save time on manual data entry. Begin inside Zoho Books. Look to the top right of your screen for the gear icon. That's your main settings hub. Click it, then choose Marketplace. The Marketplace is where Zoho centralizes officially supported and third-party integrations, and it's the easiest, most reliable path to connect with Shopify. Once you're in the Marketplace, use the search bar and type Shopify. You'll see a list of apps and connectors that bridge Zoho Books with your Shopify store. Each option may offer slightly different features, such as which records sync, how frequently they sync, and what level of customization is available. Take a moment to open an app's page, read the description carefully, review supported regions and versions, and skim recent reviews. This helps you pick the connector that matches your store size, your tax setup, and your budget. When you found an app that fits, click Get App or select Start Free Trial if you want to try it out first. A trial is a great way to evaluate how the integration handles your products, customers, and orders before you commit. You'll typically be guided through on-screen prompts. Because each app has its own setup flow, follow the steps presented by that app inside Zoho Books. Commonly, you'll grant secure permissions, choose your Zoho Books organization and Shopify store, and confirm what you want to sync, such as orders, customers, and items. If the app offers settings for taxes or inventory, review them carefully so your numbers align with your accounting preferences. As the app completes setup, keep an eye on the sync status and any logs or summaries it provides. It's normal for the first sync to take a little longer, especially if your store has many orders. If the app offers documentation or a quick start guide, use it to understand default behavior and learn where to make adjustments later. And if you run into anything unexpected, use the support link on the app's page to contact the provider directly. That's all there is to it. Click the gear icon, go to Marketplace, search for Shopify, choose an integration, and install it with Get App or Start Free Trial. Then follow the app's instructions. With that, your Zoho Books and Shopify will begin working together to keep your finances accurate and up to date.